Hey everyone! Finding brand assets shouldn't be the most frustrating part of launching a campaign. Searching through email threads, Slack messages, and endless desktop folders wastes valuable time. BrandBay offers a centralized platform to store, organize, and share logos, colors, videos, and code snippets effortlessly. With white label client portals and a browser extension, accessing assets becomes seamless. This AppSumo lifetime deal provides a one-time payment solution for agencies, web designers, and remote teams. Let's explore how BrandBay simplifies brand asset management and why this deal is worth grabbing. Stick around for all the details, pricing, and key features. What is BrandBay? BrandBay is a brand asset management platform designed to store, organize, and share digital assets like logos, videos, colors, and code snippets. Instead of searching through multiple platforms or email threads, everything stays in one centralized location. Marketing agencies, web designers, and remote teams can create custom brand collections, making collaboration more efficient. The platform includes white label client portals, allowing businesses to present assets under their branding. With a browser extension for quick access and name support for custom domains, BrandBay helps maintain brand consistency while streamlining workflows for teams and clients. Once-in-a-lifetime AppSumo deal, secure your lifetime access. Regular pricing for a brand asset management platform like this could cost you hundreds of dollars per month. But with this AppSumo lifetime deal, you're getting lifetime access starting at just $59, a one-time payment. That's insane value. Let's check out the pricing tiers. License Tier 1, one-time payment of $59, $60 value. License Tier 2, one-time payment of $129, $216 value. License Tier 3, one-time payment of $259, $456 value. License Tier 4, one-time payment of $399, $1,296 value. And remember, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely zero risk. For features that make BrandBay special. Store and organize all your assets in one place. Tired of lost files? BrandBay lets you store everything: logos, videos, brand guidelines, color codes, and more. No more hunting down assets. White-labeled client portals. You can create branded portals for your clients so they can access their assets anytime. Perfect for marketing agencies and freelancers. Name and white labeling. Want to make it look like your own in-house solution? Customize the entire platform with your branding, domain, and style. Browser extension for instant access. Work smarter, not harder. The BrandBay browser extension lets you copy-paste brand assets on the go. Quick and easy access, no matter where you are. Who can benefit from BrandBay? Marketing agencies, freelancers, web designers, brand managers, social media teams, e-commerce brands, remote teams. If you fit into any of these categories, BrandBay is for you. Save an additional 10% on AppSumo deals now. Hold up, want even more savings? You can grab an extra 10% off your purchase. Visit AppSumo's BrandBay lifetime deal page. Wait for the discount pop-up to appear. Enter your email address. Check your inbox for a special 10% off coupon. And boom, you've just saved even more on this incredible deal. See what users are saying about BrandBay. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Seriously, folks. This lifetime deal won't last forever. If you're tired of messy folders, frustrated with scattered brand assets, and ready to take control of your branding, BrandBay is the answer. Check out the link in the description to grab your lifetime deal now. Loved this breakdown? Hit that like, spread the word, and smash that subscribe button for more game-changing reviews. Limited time pricing starting at just $59. 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk.